Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're exploring theatre of the absurd, where nothing happens twice, and somehow it means everything. Theatre of the absurd exploded onto the stage in the 1950s and 60s, following the chaos of World War II. It reflected a deep sense of existential despair, the idea that life is meaningless, logic is broken, and we're just passing time until the end. But instead of crying about it, absurdist theatre often used dark humour, confusion, and repetition to make the point. You might recognise an absurdist play by circular or non-existent plot, where nothing really happens. Repetitive or nonsensical dialogue, characters trapped in meaningless routines. And there's no clear message, just the feeling of confusion and emptiness. It's often funny, awkward, bleak, or all three. Absurdist theatre was born out of a world that no longer made sense. After 2 world wars and rising Cold War tensions, many people felt lost, like meaning, morality, and purpose had all vanished. These plays weren't meant to answer questions. They were meant to expose the chaos and make us sit with it. Major absurdist writers included Samuel Beckett for Waiting for Godot, Eugène Ionesco for The Bald Soprano, and Harold Pinter for The Dumb Waiter and The Birthday Party. Their plays might leave you confused, frustrated, or oddly amused, and that's the point. In the theatre of the absurd, life is uncertain, language fails, and we're all just waiting. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.